Don't throw away lime peels. Make this powerful natural spray at home. Most people throw this away, but did you know lime peels can be turned into a powerful natural spray? This simple DIY can help repel insects, freshen your home, and even clean surfaces. Here's what you need: lime peels, cloves, a cinnamon stick, and alcohol. First, put the lime peels into a small spray bottle. Next, pour in alcohol. This helps accept the natural oils from the ingredients. Then add a few cloves. These help repel insects naturally. Add a cinnamon stick for extra strength and a warm scent. Close the bottle and shake it well. Let it sit for 3 to 5 days so all the natural ingredients infuse together. Spray it near windows and doors to help keep mosquitoes and bugs away. Use it as a natural air freshener for your home. And you can also use it as a light surface cleaner. For best results, shake before each use and store it in a cool place. Simple, natural, and no waste. Try this at home and turn everyday scraps into something useful. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple home ideas.